Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. Otherwise I'll go back and re-record all this. Hey guys, how's it going? Got my Okinawa hat on. My name's Matt and today we're gonna check out mangroves in Okinawa. Now, I've been to these before and I've actually been to them also on Miyako Island, but this one is on the big island of Okinawa. So anyone here can come check this out. We're in Kin. And if you don't know what a mangrove is, I'll have to look up the exact definition, but it's basically like a forested, like a swamp land. And it's really good for the ecosystem because there's always a lot of little animals and stuff that live exclusively in mangroves, and they really help out the ecosystem. It's a very important part of the circle of life. So this is what a mangrove forest looks like. It's a really nice sunny day, but there's a lot of life down in here. There's usually little critters and stuff. And this is all mangrove forest. Normally the water is covering all into the forest. They have a lot of mangroves here. And there's this pathway that Kit's walking on right now. And these pathways go through the mangrove forests, and you can look down. There's some spider webs. But you can look down and normally see a television. That television's not supposed to be there, but there's supposed to be a lot of life. So guys, behind me, you can get a good look at the mangroves, the roots down here in the trees at different times of the day. Right now the water's low, but this is all covered with water all around me. These are the kinds of things you'd expect to see in a mangrove. Here's clams and there's crabs. Last time I was here, there's a lot of crabs, and there's specific types of fish and stuff that really only thrive in mangrove environments. And there's Kit. Look how high the water is normally though. Those stairs are supposed to go into the water.
You can see the water right there.
Yeah. Crazy. So guys, these are the types of things you can expect to see here. This is where we are. We're looking across the entire mangrove, and this is where we walked. And now that we're over here, we're gonna go on this side. Look at this, guys. Kit found the bulls that they pull these carts. If you want to do tours, they pull the carts through the mangroves, and this one's looking at us. See, it's just a swampy area, and look at this. We're just walking through this area. These are the kinds of things you can see. It's really hard to see though. So what do you think about mangrove forests?
I always think they're really cool. One of my dreams is go to Florida because they have those mangroves with is it manatees? Yeah, manatees.
They have manatees?
Yeah, manatees are like my favorite animal.
You know, I also have a goal of going to Florida for Disney World.
Oh,
I
yeah.
haven't been there yet.
For me, it's manatees.
I do recommend coming here if you haven't been here before. This is one of those sort of unknown Okinawan things. If you like nature and you want to check out some nature stuff, there's of course big beautiful waterfalls, plenty of hikes, but there's also a mangrove forest. So come check this place out because it's really beautiful. There's a mongoose. It's crossing the road. Let's see if we can get closer without scaring it. Hey there, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. So guys, that was it for the Mangrove Forest. If you didn't know about this place, or you're in Okinawa and you love nature, there is more nature here than just hikes and beautiful waterfalls and stuff. There's also this mangrove forest. So check it out. I'll put the location in the description below. If you like this hat, I got it on my own brand, okipride.com, which is also linked in the description below. And we have blue and red and pink, and anyway.
The pink one's pretty cool.
Actually, her channel is also linked in the description below. And we have Facebook Live videos, which is also linked in the description below.
Just look at the description.
Just
below.
check out the description. There's a lot of stuff in there. Thanks so much, guys, for exploring the mangroves. Is that how you say it?
Mangrove.
Okay, Mangrove Forest.
We'll have to come back in the summertime when they have kayak tours and stuff.
Oh yeah, that'd be cool. We could take those water buffaloes out for a spin.
Instead of kayaks.
Yeah, instead of kayaks.
While everyone's kayaking, we're on water buffaloes.
That's right.
That's awesome.
That's how we do it.
That's awesome.
So, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. That's Kit's thing.